let's go. If you could gaze into the future.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebolowa Sayemi. For today's look, we kind of went for the drugstore easy $10 or less kind of look. If you like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so going straight into the video, I'm going to be starting off with my eyes, and I'll be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color white and putting that all over my face. Next, I'm going to be going in with my NYX eyeshadow palette. Picking up the pink shade in the palette. So still keeping this all drugstore look. Next, I'm going to be using my Maybelline primer. So for today's foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX Total Control foundation in the color Espresso. For concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Ebony. And then to set my eyes and all over my face, I'm going to be using the Cover FX translucent powder. And also still sticking with the same highlighter, picking some up with my little brush and putting it over my cheekbones. Onto the lips. So for today's lip liner, I'm going to be using the LA Girl color lip liner in the color Chocolate. And then to use as lipstick, I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie lipstick in the color Teddy. And then for my lip gloss, I'm going in with the Revlon lip gloss in the color Clear. And just dotting that just a little bit over my lips. This is the finished look. What is your favorite drugstore products? Leave a comment down below so I can go through them and maybe pick some up at the drugstore if I don't already have them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video, bye guys.